What does it really mean to be a metal guitarist in the age of the internet? We're in a time where anyone can post a flawless solo at lightning speed. But was it truly their idea or just someone else's idea recycled note for note? A time where tone is no longer just about amps and cabs, but plugins, presets, and AI modeling. And where the bar for technical skill isn't just high, it is skyrocketing. Today, we're diving into the future of online metal guitar, from the rising standards of musicianship to the growing exposure of fake players and the evolution of digitized tones. You'll see where things are heading and what you need to do to stay ahead of the curve. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm predicting we'll see a lot more of when it comes to the metal internet guitar world is an increase in standards. We're going to see standards start to get a lot higher, even higher than they are right now. This can include something like production quality, which in my opinion kind of peaked in the late 90s and early 2000s, but we're also talking about higher standards when it comes to the creative aspect. I am predicting that we'll see an increased desire for a lot of players to come up with the next new thing, the next new style, the new genre, the new technique, even the new shred technique, things like that. Because we've seen this a lot in recent history, just in a matter of decades, which in the course of time is just a blink. There's always been people trying to do what hasn't been done before, which is really a lost cause because, as King Solomon has accurately stated in the book of Ecclesiastes, that there is nothing new under the sun. And I think this whole idea about needing to be the next new thing or come up with the next new thing that's just different from anything that's ever been done before causes a lot of anxiety in players who lean more into their creative and their artistic side when it comes to their craft. And to that point, I predict we'll see a lot of higher standards and levels of speed compared to what most of us are already used to seeing at this point in time. I mean, we're already seeing 6 year olds out shredding us, and I just think that people will continue to try to push the envelope when it comes to shred guitar and speed and things like that. And personally, I think this is a really cool thing because this kind of taps into the competitive aspect of this, and I'm a firm believer that competition breeds excellence. So I'm eager to see what new territories people will go down with how fast they'll be shredding on their axes, especially if they're able to maintain melody and flavor as they do so. And if you want to make sure you're staying ahead of the curve in the growing world of shred, I've got a gift I want to give you right now. It's my free Shred Smarter blueprint, and it breaks down the three biggest mistakes that are secretly killing your speed, and it shows you exactly what to do instead if you want to play faster, tighter, and cleaner. So the link for that's in the description. You can grab it there. It is a must-have for any serious rock or metal guitarist. And something else that I predict we'll see a lot more of, because we've been seeing it very recently, is more phoniness in the world of internet guitar. And I'm not going to go into the specific details of specific examples, but if you're kind of tuned into the internet guitar world, you're probably aware that there's been a crackdown on fake guitarists who go as far as to commit plagiarism and claim that what they're playing, if they're actually even playing it at all, is their own work. And so, due to this, I'm predicting that people will be held to a higher standard in this regard. They'll be put under a microscope more than they are already for being on the internet. And I think that people will start to seek out honesty and authenticity more now that plagiarism is really on everyone's radar right now. And this kind of makes me think of the controversy surrounding technology and how it relates to us as guitarists, because we're already seeing MIDI and how that has kind of taken over drums, bass, and even vocals to an extent. And there's even straight up whole AI songs that have vocals and everything on them. And don't get me wrong, I'm starting to see a lot of benefits to using AI, and I'm starting to see how we can use tools like that to our advantage. So I think that's going to shift the way internet guitarists approach what they do. And I myself have been getting more and more into this kind of thing and learning more about it. And I'm finding that specifically when it comes to AI, there's still a creative element and a knowledge base that is required by the person using it. And I think that is what is going to have to also change as we continue down the road of internet musicianship as a whole. And this leads me to my final point in the future of internet metal guitar, and that is the shift towards digitized tones. Because historically, we saw a lot of emphasis on traditional amps and tubes and things like that, but all of that has been moving towards plugins and profilers and AI tone tools and things like that. And there are definitely some pros and cons to all this, just like there is with everything else. So with the pros, I mean, this whole technological shift allows us to have higher accessibility to all these different tones. You're not really having to shell out hundreds of dollars for a nice amp because you can access an amp sim plugin for free, and even then it's sounding pretty good. There's also the convenience factor, of course. You don't have this huge thing, or it doesn't even have to be huge, but you're not having something that's taking up space in your room. So in a way, you can access all these different amps at once without having to worry about them taking up space other than the space on your hard drive. But the biggest con with this, and of course I'm sure there's a workaround to it, is that the more and more digitized we go, the more over-processed that sound becomes, and the less human and organic it'll sound to us. And I think we're gonna start to collectively start to crave that more natural sound that many of us are used to hearing or have grown up hearing. So based on this, I'm predicting that we'll see a shift that goes back to more organic tones. Because a lot of what I'm starting to hear right now are a lot of staticky guitar tones, and I have a feeling I'm not the only one who's kind of getting sick of it already. So here's the reality. The world of metal guitar is evolving, and it's evolving fast. Musicianship is no longer just impressive, it's expected. And copycat players, those lifting licks, riffs, and entire solos without credit, are being called out. And so originality is not an option anymore. It's what's going to separate real artists from the noise. And when it comes to tones and the digital side of things, I think we can continue to use those tools to our advantage for convenience sake, while crafting our own sounds to fit a more organic tone from the not so distant past. And so the future doesn't belong to the loudest or the flashiest. It belongs to the guitarist who plays with purpose, skill, and creativity that's truly theirs. And overall, I predict we'll see a stronger desire for more authentic and organic guitar playing and musicianship. And if you're stuck spinning your wheels, struggling to build speed, battling sloppy technique, or just feeling like your fingers cannot keep up with your ideas, you are not alone. So don't forget to grab my free Shred Smarter Blueprint, where you'll learn to avoid the 3 biggest mistakes that are secretly killing your speed, and exactly what you need to do instead if you want to shred faster and cleaner. So hit the link below and grab it now to start shredding the right way. And you can also find it at zacksharguitar.com. I'm really curious to hear what your thoughts are about what we discussed today with the whole future of metal internet guitar. So drop a comment below and tell me what your predictions are. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Zach with Zack Shar Guitar. Keep shredding, and God bless.